Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5. This one has the V6 finished here in, I believe, lunar rock over cement. Sweet color combo. $9,300 miles on it. Your SOS button. A little cold in here. Forward collision warning, radar cruise, everything you'd ever need. You know, one thing I've noticed is this actually has a really beefy sound to it. A lot of bone stock new cars I've driven, you know, non-performance cars, are very, very quiet. This one has a good tone in the exhaust, the factory exhaust, especially around like 2,500 RPM. I do like the layout. Everything in here is very, very nice. I have no complaints. I've driven this, took it home last night, spent some time with it, and I've been happy. Generally, I've been very, very happy with it. So as you can tell, power, not bad at all. Definitely ample for what it is. I've driven a manual 2015 Tacoma with an intake, and that felt like a dog. This one doesn't. This one has some get up and go to it. Both were the V6. this Tacoma is it's a truck. You have all the features you want, but at the end of the day, it's a truck. You know, I think the Tacoma is as close to like the previous generation Ranger that you can get. The new Ranger is just, it's not a truck. It's almost like the truck factor is an after fact. The Tacoma focuses on being tough, rugged, and it's a truck. Even the Chevy Colorado, it's almost like, oh yeah, it drives like an SUV, but it happens to be a truck. The Tacoma is a truck through and through that happens to drive very well. I do have to try one of those, the new Frontier. I drove the previous one, and I loved that. Previous gen Frontier is much like this, where it's a truck. You know, it's going to be dependable, reliable. It's not going to be littered with features you don't want in a truck. Personally, I think in the small compact truck segment, I think I'd go with, speaking of, there's a Ranger. My two favorites are the Frontier and the Tacoma. That's just where I'm at. I do like the Ranger, but it's Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.